Alright, so here's the deal. I'm going to share with you how to get at least $5 off every single order on Amazon.com. Here's how this works. So when I first learned that Amazon offers delivery instructions, I was pretty excited about this because I no longer wanted to have Amazon just leaving our packages on our front porch so people can see them, people can come take them, it can get rained on, whatever. So what I did is I went on Amazon and purchased this here handy little delivery box. It's cost about $100, pretty well constructed, got a padlock to put on it as well. So I put that in our backyard here just inside our gate and put the lock on it, stationed it there, and then promptly went to Amazon and updated the delivery instructions to let drivers know that all future deliveries should be placed in this box. Gave them the code to the lock so they can access it, put things in there assuming there's enough space in the box, depending on the size of the package, and thought, great, excellent, we're all set. Every single delivery is going to be put into the box. False. So false. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get a $5 credit, at least $5 credit for every purchase you make on Amazon.com, potentially. I thought, great, this is excellent. Made an order and put in the order instructions, received the delivery confirmation with the nice little photo of the package left on the front porch. Okay, that doesn't really make any sense. We clearly indicated in the delivery instructions that we wanted the packages delivered in the delivery box that we just paid $100 for. So I was a little upset about that. This particular delivery, I believe the package was materials for brackets and wire for hanging pictures and stuff like that. I had a decorating project that I was trying to get done before a specific date. People were coming over, and so I responded to Amazon and said, hey, here's the problem. This is absolutely ridiculous. What happened? They said, oh, we're so sorry, it won't happen again. Here's a $5 credit, and then a supervisor came back on and said, hey, actually, we're going to give you a $10 Amazon account credit because it was such a hassle for you. I said, okay, thanks very much. Thought the problem was solved. Another delivery, same thing happens. Picture of the package squarely on the front porch. And at this point, I started realizing, okay, this is kind of weird. There's something going on here. So I responded again and said, hey, what's the problem? Oh, okay, we're going to make a permanent note on your account of the delivery instructions that you have, so the drivers won't miss it. Okay, sounds good. Here's a $5 credit for you. Okay, thank you very much. Again, we have a separate issue on another delivery. So I again contact Amazon and ask them what is going on here. This is like the third time in a week that this problem has occurred. Are your drivers just not following delivery directions? What's going on here? Here are some screenshots of what the actual conversation looks like of the chat functionality with the customer service representative. Normally they're pretty nice. They are pretty quick to offer solutions and ask you questions to figure out what's going on. Sometimes they will offer you the $5 credit right off of the bat. Other times, subsequent times now, I've had to ask. They say, okay, I've updated delivery instructions for you, whatever. What else can I help you with? And then you have to say something like, well, what are you going to do about it? Or how am I going to be compensated for this problem, for this headache, for this error? And then normally they'll say, okay, well, okay, I've credited your account $5 for the hassle. Sorry about that. Like I mentioned, one time a supervisor did log on and said, hey, we're going to give you $10 because it was messed up. I have not tried to actively ask for, hey, $5 isn't good enough, I'm really, really mad, I need 10 or 15 or something like that. I haven't tried that yet. But in this particular instance, the representative had the Amazon logistics team call me, and we had a phone conversation. And the guy said, "Oh, we're so sorry. You know, I've escalated said something to the effect of, I'm paraphrasing, we've escalated your issue and we've passed along this feedback to the logistics team." And I said, what does that even mean? like if anything positive was occurring, if the feedback was actually taking effect, this wouldn't keep happening with these deliveries. Drivers would be following the delivery instructions, and this wouldn't be occurring. We wouldn't be having this conversation. And the guy's response was basically, "Oh, well, you know, I'm sorry. I escalated it, so it probably shouldn't happen again." I said, "Well, that's what was told to me the last several times. Do you mind my asking you how often this occurs with other customers? Are you allowed to disclose that information?" And all he really said was, "Oh, well, we've received multiple reports today that other people have been having issues of drivers not following the instructions." So this left two questions in my mind. Or 2 points in my mind anyway. The first being, okay, this isn't just a one-off issue of drivers not checking delivery instructions. This is some sort of issue that's happening with customers all across the country, maybe the world even. And secondly, why are drivers not reading or following the instructions? I mean, maybe are they lazy and just not checking, or is the infrastructure and the information and the technology that Amazon has provided them with not good enough or user-friendly enough that it would be too hard for them to miss the delivery instructions, I guess. I'm not really sure. I put in a few more orders since this issue, so we'll see what happens. I'll keep everybody updated as to what happens. But honestly, at this point, I'm not too confident. I'm actually a little entertained. I mean, at this point, I think they've given me, at least 5 different $5 discounts, $5 credits, with the addition to that $10 one. So my $100 delivery box is almost a third paid for. It's like at this rate, I'll probably have enough credits that my delivery box will be free, and I'll just get $5 credit on all future orders. Who knows? We'll see. So I don't know. What do you guys think? What do you think is the issue here? I mean, I would love to hear comments from you guys, out there in the interwebs. Why don't you guys make some videos of giving this a try, either getting a delivery box or saying, "Hey, please leave my package on the back porch instead of the front porch," and see what happens. Maybe we just need to make a game of it and make it such a headache for Amazon that they have no choice but to find a solution to this problem instead of just letting it drag on and on. Now, don't get me wrong. I love Amazon. Amazon makes my life and my family's lives so much better. It's so much. I mean, we're Prime members. I love using Amazon Prime Video, Amazon Music. I'm actually a Amazon. What do they call it? The Amazon Music Plus subscriber, or whatever, so I have access to a much larger library of music. I love Amazon. It's outstanding, but it's just kind of silly that this whole delivery problem seems like it would be a very easy thing to solve, and it just hasn't been solved, at least for me, yet. So I would love to see follow-up videos from other folks giving this a try and bragging about how many $5 credits they can get. What's the maximum credit you can get from one incident? And maybe we just need to start being, nasty internet trolls, and just pushing the limits. I mean, let's just get weird with it and say, "Yes, I need my package delivered in the red planter in the back of near the back of my alley. I just need my packages there. It's the most convenient for me." Or maybe even, yes, I have my statuaries in the backyard. There's a pink elephant and a blue giraffe and a little yellow chihuahua. I need you to leave all my packages
next to the little pink elephant. You see the yellow Chihuahua. He can get statue. He can get real scrambly, right? And he really doesn't like it when packages are placed too close to him. So just make sure you keep the packages away from the Chihuahua and make sure the elephant gets all of them. Okay, thanks. Bye.
Just get really weird with it and just order a bunch of hand lotion from Amazon and just be like, yes, my delivery instructions are that I need the hand lotion put in the big wicker basket on my back porch. Just put the lotion in the basket. I need all of my lotion in the basket, and just see what happens. I would love to see just weird instances and see what Amazon's response are. Get those screenshots of the delivery locations, failed and successful. Get those screenshots of the chat conversations of asking why was my lotion not put in the basket and that sort of thing. I think that'd be freaking hilarious. So that's all for this video. I hope you can establish some delivery instructions and get some, either have your deliveries be more convenient for you, or just get some free Amazon credit. I mean, why not? I really had no intention of making a video like this, but these are the circumstances that I was presented with from Amazon. And again, love Amazon. Going to continue to use Amazon, hopefully, if no other big problems occur. But, sound off in the comments. Let's brainstorm. We'd love to see some follow-up videos and see what you guys come up with. Thanks for your time, everybody. Please like, share, and subscribe. Send this video to other people to get the word out, to get them some free money. And also, let's see if we can band together and get Amazon to solve this problem and make their services and their company even better than it already is. Thanks, everyone. Take care.